Hi folks, again to a new video from your channel New Cars Technology. I am Henry and today's video is about the all-new Range Rover Sport SV. The new Range Rover Sport SV has arrived with a bit less confidence and a lot more horsepower. The existing SVR's 575 horsepower 5.0-liter V8 is gone, replaced by the BMW-sourced 4.4-liter V8 from the previously announced Range Rover SV. Despite its tiny size, the 4.4-liter engine packs a punch. First and foremost, the V8 era continues on, although as a hybridized twin-turbo. The new engine produces 626 horsepower, enough to propel the large SUV to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds on its way to a top speed of 180 miles per hour. Land Rover added an optional pair of 23-inch carbon wheels weighing 78 pounds to try to eliminate some weight from the monster SVR frame. Optional carbon ceramic brakes save an additional 75 pounds of unsprung mass over regular brakes. Land Rover was so taken with the notion of shedding weight for the next model that it eliminated the R designation from the existing Range Rover Sport SVR, ushering in the 2024 Range Rover Sport SV. Range Rover's new 6-speed dynamic suspension technology radically revamped the suspension. To reduce pitch and roll while cornering or accelerating, the new suspension arrangement includes height-adjustable air springs and hydraulically cross-linked dampers. The new SC rides between 0.4 and 1 inch lower than existing Range Rover Sport models, depending on drive mode. Along with the clever suspension and redesigned chassis, Land Rover outfitted the new SV with 305-section rear tires, all of which contribute to a reported 1.1 g of lateral acceleration even when equipped with all-season tires, an astounding statistic for a vehicle of this size. In comparison, the number represents a 22% gain in road holding over the previous SVR. The plug-in hybrid Range Rover Sport has also received an update. The plug-in receives a new transmission and electric motor configuration, producing a total of 542 horsepower. On a full charge, the new hybrid powertrain provides for an estimated electric-only range of 51 miles. The new SV, like all new Range Rovers, comes with the latest version of the Pivi Pro infotainment system, which includes volume and climate control controls on a new sliding sidebar. Land Rover claims that 80% of functions can be accomplished with 2 taps of the screen, and Amazon's Alexa speech assistant is now included in. The new SV's price has not yet been announced, although the previous model started about $120,000. With Land Rover's push to sell this as the ultimate Range Rover Sport, we expect the new model to start around $140,000. The new SV's initial year of manufacturing is limited to clients who have been invited. The entire model year will be restricted to the SV Edition 1 specification, which includes unique branding on the front splitter, center console, tread plates, and puddle lamps. It's unclear whether that constraint is a result of production or a marketing ploy, but every SV Edition 1 has already been allotted. Before I finish the video, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all of the latest and most exclusive automotive news. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.